This is it. Today's the day the Datsun's going on the ground for the first time in 6 months. Let's do this. What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. It is day 10 of the Datsun build, number 10. As you guys can probably tell, like this pile that we get in front in the beginning of every video just keeps getting smaller and smaller, which can only mean one thing, that we're getting closer and closer to getting this car done. Today, we're getting the car on the ground. We are gonna get some dip oil in it. We're gonna do some measurements for the pinion angle and hopefully finalize the measurements for the drive shaft. That way we can get the last big piece figured out, and we'll be pretty much on our way. We're gonna take some time. We're going to put some protection on the new wheels. So I'm gonna go do that first, and then we're gonna put the wheels on the car, drop everything down. We may have to do some adjustments for the suspension, but we'll run you through that as we get to it, just to make sure everything's at the right height, but we'll run you through. Let's just dive right in. We got a lot of work to do. Let's do it. Guys, this is the moment of truth. Well, I guess it's not really the moment of truth. I don't know what I'm talking about. We got the wheels on the other side. We're gonna put the wheels on this side, and then we're gonna drop the car down. So let's go.
See how she looks, all stanced out.
Yeah, I'll show you guys this side, and while Anthony starts on this, and then, but.
Is this rear?
Yeah, that's rear. It's hard to really see, I guess. There we go. So, a little, well, I would say a lot more meaty than the factory stock setup. It's less meaty than the old wheels. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, that I ran for a little bit, it looks like it's gonna be just tucked in slightly. So I'm thinking the fitment's gonna be nice. It should be good. I don't want anything too aggressive anyway, so I'm not really worried about it, but it's gonna be nice.
You sound worried about it.
Do I sound worried about it? It's like, well, you brought it up, so you're definitely worried about it.
Man, why did you have to pick such hard wheels to fucking...
I know, that's honestly, so if you guys are ever thinking about getting the, I don't even know what these are. They're 1552, but I don't know the exact spec of the wheel. I don't know if they even offer it anymore. The channels here for the lug nuts to go through. Jeez, I realize it's not even focusing.
You're not using OEM wheel bolt.
No, you can't use OEM, and at that point it still is very hard. Like this socket here that came with these lug nuts barely even go in.
You might be able to if you have a European car where it's a wheel bolt and not a nut.
Oh,
you
maybe.
I highly, because then you could just put a socket on it. Make it a little bit easier.
So this is, oh yeah, it's chunky, man. It's gonna be nice. It's not gonna rub, I don't think.
You just jinxed yourself, you know that, right?
Yeah, but fenders aren't rolled. You guys can tell.
They're not going to be.
I don't think I'm going to. We're just gonna run as much camber as we have to not have it rub on the fender well there.
Or just set the suspension a bit higher.
Or yeah, or adjust the height, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys, we're gonna tune back in when we're getting this car on the ground.
Okay, you can take them out.
All right, guys, we're lifting up the car to bring it down. Let me. Are you sure they're out?
Yeah.
They're not.
No?
This side's not. Okay, yeah, you're good.
Well, she's glued.
Oh, it's glued. Sheesh. Oh shoot! Don't break the frame, boys. All right, let me go get the other side. We're just gonna have to watch that the front doesn't slip off as we're bringing it down.
I don't think it will.
Yeah, but you have to go slow.
Yeah, I will. Just pass me that block of wood because I'm going to jam it behind this tire as we go down.
I'm gonna go grab a couple more. You going?
Yeah.
Slow, slow, slow.
I'm going slow, Nick.
That's not slow, man.
Slow!
He's panned. You see him? He's trying to give me a hemorrhoid. Okay, keep going. I'm nervous.
That's it. Look how high it's sitting!
Are you kidding me? Boys, we gotta lower this car. We're gonna squat it, but it does have to settle, but that's still.
It's gonna have to settle. I think we should jounce the car around a little bit. It's kind of lower than what it was. It's rolling back a bit, so you might have to move those.
Hold on. It's rolling back. What do you mean it's rolling back? Don't give me a heart attack, bud. Don't do this.
So you're gonna have to leave some space for it to roll back.
Oh. So
just move the blocks of wood.
I'm not gonna be able to.
I know you're gonna. You want me to jack it back up?
Yeah.
Try now.
It's monster truck still. Maybe if I sit in it, it'll
See if the suspension drops when you sit in it.
probably not. I'm gonna adjust the seat first.
No. Is it locked right?
Yeah. Hitting?
Nope, it's perfect.
Oh. Now go the other way.
Yeah.
Is that just the tire?
Yeah. Cardboard on tire.
Locked. It's all the way.
Good.
It's good?
I'm checking this side. That's perfect. We got tons of space to work with, honestly, dude. Okay, so let's adjust the rear.
All right, guys, the rear is pretty much where we're gonna keep it for now. There's about, I would say, 2 fingers worth of gap. We tried to push on the back to get it to settle a little bit more, so it will probably settle a bit. It looks right now like if the suspension comes up, it's going to miss the lip on here. We may have to run a little bit more camber. We adjusted the toe so it's not gonna be absolutely horrendous to drive. We straightened it out a little bit, so we'll see. We're going to keep moving. The front definitely has to come down because if you guys can see from back here, the front is sitting quite up. So we got some squatting happening in the rear and we got some monster truck action in the front. So we're gonna probably have to move down the front about a good 1.5 inches on both sides. We're gonna play with the toe a little bit maybe. Get it so, again, hopefully that we won't have any issues driving it to where we have to go to get the alignment done. So we're gonna just do a little bit more work and then we'll check in a bit. Car is adjusted. It is adjusted. No, it's adjusted. We're gonna just do a clearance check on the front. We got the height, the toe. Well, the height is good. The toe is set up, so we should be able to at least drive it. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second, but we're gonna do a clearance check here and see what, well, hopefully we don't have any issues. We ready?
Yeah, let's do a clearance check.
What side?
Turn it to the right first.
One more turn.
That's straight.
All right, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So clearance check is good. It probably could go a little bit more aggressive, to be honest, but that's not what I'm going for. We just want something to look decent, you know? We just want to make it look like the wheels and everything are fitting together like it should be. So, there she be.
Looks good.
Again,
We could go lower in the front if you wanted to. But
that's like barely 2 fingers.
The only way I could tell if it's much lower than before is seeing what it feels like to get in the car.
Front is
Honestly, it feels
2
like
fingers, barely any room. A little bit tighter on the rear, I'd say, but the front has to settle a little bit more. But
when I get out of the car, does the suspension come up a lot?
no, it doesn't, not at all. It doesn't even move. That's it, guys. We freaking made it. We made it here.
Some time for summer too.
The weather's getting warm, so a few other things we gotta button up, but car looks absolutely amazing. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We're moving along. We got so much progress made. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep moving on, but that's where we're gonna call. What are you doing? Are you? He's stripping in here. Oh my God. That's a wrap for today's video, though. We didn't get to adjusting the pinion angle and measuring for the drive shaft. That's something that we're gonna have to do in the next video. It's gonna be a little bit of I think tedious. I don't know, I've never done it before, but we'll see what happens. But the adjustment of the suspension was actually really easy and we didn't run into any issues. So look how beautiful this thing is. Look at it.
Nice.
I'm so pumped. This is, I don't know, it's gonna be amazing. It's already amazing. I don't know what I'm talking about. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay classy, crew.